guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. It is me and Keira, and we are going to be doing a building challenge. I am really excited for this. So what's gonna happen is we are currently in the family house. This is actually her house, but this is going to be my side and this will be her side. So she's going to design the bedroom and the, oh wait, hold on, no. Okay, she's gonna design, sorry, I keep getting those mixed up, but she's gonna be doing the living room and the kitchen, and I'm gonna be doing the bedroom and the bathroom. And technically, if you want, you can do the hallway. It's really up to you because it's on your side. And we will not be using the upstairs. The upstairs is kind of unfair to use since it's on her side.
I thought I was doing the kitchen and the bathroom. How am I gonna? Okay, because I'm kind of confused.
You're doing the kitchen and the living room, and if you want, you can do the hallway. And I'm gonna do the bedroom and the bathroom.
There's little barriers up here. Make it like it floaters.
That's kind of what I was gonna do, but okay.
That's my game.
I bet you'll probably have a really nice side though, because Keira's a decent builder.
Okay, builder. Alright, are you ready?
Yeah. 3, 2, 1, and go. Look at the comparison. Yeah, just cover up that bathroom door. No one even needs this room anyway. Alright, so you want to finish this up?
I'm almost done. I think I need to add a few more things. Is that okay? Are you done?
Yeah. Alright, so I'm done. So we're gonna come back to recording once Keira is finally done editing. And this recording finally made it to an hour. I'll probably be cutting out a lot of the scenes. But let's come back. Hi guys, what's up? Alright, so after it took Keira like a few minutes to finish, she's finally ready. So let's finish up. So first we're going to be touring mine.
I'm kind of excited.
Alright, you can look at it. So over here I have a crib and a baby bed. And I kind of have like a little reading area. And even though this is kind of like meant for fashion, I just thought it kind of looked cute here. And I have the hello sign and I have some books over here.
I like that.
Here's the bed. And I thought you'd get really excited by this part.
Which book?
The penguin. And then you have a TV. You have some books over here, as long as your own personal fridge. Because sometimes people have that. It's kind of weird, but you know how they have those tiny fridges for like snacks or drinks?
Fridges, yeah.
Yeah. And then my trees are white and black. That's kind of weird, but...
Okay, that works, I guess. This is nice.
And then we have the creator posters. And then in here is the bathroom. So we have the shower.
Oh my gosh, that's cool.
Yeah. Did that. And that's what happens. And then over here, we just have a regular thing. A regular counter. A regular tree. Except it's white. And I also did this in the other house I have.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I did that too, but I didn't add in as much detail because I didn't feel like it. Alright, so that's my side.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Teleport to me, so I want to go through here. Okay, well, okay, yeah, come here. So,
Alright, I'm having some chips. Ooh, that's cool. Oh, I remember you taught me that trick in the other game.
yeah, some robots. So here's like the hallway, right here, and then this is the living room. I have this nice little background area, because I thought it was pretty. Then I have this book, you know how they put their legs off?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I put that. And then we got this nice bookshelf. And then we have this nice light and windows, like the backyard. And then we got this table with a little TV. So they have, and then my favorite part is the kitchen. I have these nice beads you can go through.
That's cool.
Then we got this little mat, then a tree, then a little area for you to eat. Then we have our kitchen. Now this is like an area. I was trying to put a bed here just to Picasso, my cat. She's in the bathroom. When the water's not on, she always like sits in there. So I thought that'd be cool, but it didn't look that good. So I have this, and then this is like a panda area. This house because it's green, and then I put a bamboo tree from bamboo. Then a little house, or a little pet bed for bamboo because like sometimes you know how kitchens have pet beds when they're just like relaxing. So bamboo can do that. And yeah, I really like this kitchen. This is my favorite part. This is my favorite part actually. The bees.
You ready? It's time to delete the barrier.
Alright, 3, 2, 1.
2, 1. And the sides have been combined.
Those are so weird but cool. I'm so
It kind of looks like your table is coming in my side.
okay, well the barriers are right where they're here or here. Okay, where?
Yeah, it started right here.
Okay, whatever.
Yeah, but to be honest, I actually do agree with you. I liked your side way better than mine. Especially the beads. These are cute.
Oh, you look on Christmas light. And I actually really like your bathroom. Yes, I do. I like the bathroom.
Alright, so remember to put down in the comments who you think won this challenge. And if you want us to do another one, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. And we will see you guys next time.